How to layer peptides in your skincare routine. Layer peptides with hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate skin. Layer peptides with vitamin C to boost elastin production and reduce hyperpigmentation. Layer peptides with niacinamide to boost antioxidants and brighten skin. Layer peptides with ceramides to firm and nourish skin. Layer peptides in BHA for antioxidants and to refine pores. And layer peptides with AHA to smooth and gently exfoliate skin.
Let's find out if I do or if I hue. These are the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and these instantly hydrate and brighten my skin. Just look at that dewy shine on my face. Now trying out the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drop, instantly evens out my skin. It adds a nice warm glowing tint. I love it. Both sides, undeniable glow, but it depends on what you're going for. Are you going for a dewy glow or a huey, warm, bronzy glow? What do you think?
This is my skincare routine for dry skin. First, I start off with the Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner. I love how hydrating this feels on my skin, plus it gently exfoliates and refines pores over time. Then I go in with the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. This serum is soothing and calming with nourishment and helps physically reduce my redness. Last but not least, I'm going in with the Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This deeply hydrates, plumps, and balances my skin with a dewy glow finish. This is what locks in all the moisture. If you have dry skin like me, try these products to glow all day long.
This is my everyday glow routine. I like to start out with the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore-Tight Toner. I love this because it hydrates my skin and it refines my pores. And then I use Plump Hyaluronic Cream to hydrate, plump, and balance my skin. But moving on to the star of the show, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. This adds a warm, glowing tint to my skin, and it evens out my skin tone. While hydrating and brightening, it feels and looks amazing. Lastly, I use Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm to instantly hydrate, smooth, and soften my lips. I absolutely love this look.